with the markets opening today. We have seen a good rise in US30. It has achieved 31,550 and at the same time US100 has achieved 12,230. Now trying to reverse the gains again. But what is going to happen today? How we can make profit today? Which position you should take? Before I come up with my next analysis before the US cash session for these two indices, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch till the end. First, we'll look into NASDAQ100 and in the end, Dow Jones. Do write down the levels and do listen to it carefully. Now, these are the early charts for US100 and it is trying to trade in this channel. The support there is 12,130 is going to be strong only and only if it trades below 12,130. You can expect that we may see it dropping further than 12,100. 12,050, 12,050 is the ultimate level below which it is going to act bearish or remain bearish. Till the time it trades above 12,130, you can again expect it to rise, again expect it to bounce back. The directional movement is extremely bullish, trying to converge from here. The stochastic is at top, trying to converge and crossover for a sell. The MACD is divergent and bullish, it may converge. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see it is trying to trade in this channel. And possibility of it getting support at 12,130 is strong. 12,120 is also a good support. Only below these levels you can expect 12,100 and then 12,000. See, very nearby supports till 12,050 levels, and this indicates that possibility of it sustaining above this level is high and it may try to trade bullish if it continues to trade above 12,050 levels. Now on the downside below 12,000, definitely it will call for a strong bearishness. Directional movement is bullish. It is divergent on the 2-hour charts. Stochastic is near to top. MACD is green. It is divergent and bullish. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, so the new candle is yet to start. The previous candle has almost given a sort of a doji with a very little bullish or very little green body. So see, now you should watch out for this zone at 12,130, 12,120 levels. Only and only if it drops below this zone, you can confirm that it is going to act further bearish than 12,100, 12,080, 12,050 and 12,000. Below 12,000 it will call for a crash. Till the time it trades about 12,130, we have to ensure that it may try to act or it may try to act a little bullish. Then you can expect 12,250 as the targets and 12,300 is the ultimate resistance. Those who watch me regularly and those who watch my weekly analysis also, I have told you 12,300 as the first target and 12,400. These two are the stronger resistance levels. Only NASDAQ100 sustaining first about 12,300, we can call a little bullish. Above 12,400, it will call for the bulls out there and it will fly and rally above those levels. So be cautious of 12,300 and 400 levels. Now directional movement is bullish on the 3-hour chart. The stochastic has seen a high there and it is failing to enter into overbought levels, hinting that possibly it may drop from here. The MACD is divergent and it is bullish. The RSI is trading comfortable there. And on the 4-hour charts, likewise, if you see the possibility for it to rise till towards 12,350, 400 is high. At the same time, on the 4-hour charts, one must see that it is right now it is trying to trade within this channel, and this is the bullish channel. The high is there at 12,250, the lows there at 12,130, 120 levels. And only if it sustains below 12,120, 100, you can expect that we may see little more bearishness and then it may try to drop. So what it derives for me is, do not trade between 12,130 and 12,230 at least. Between these 100 points, let's be cautious. Below 12,130, definitely we can expect a little drop for 12,100, 12,080, 12,050, 12,000 levels, and below that we may see a stronger crash for 11,900, 11,800. Above 12,230, you can expect it to rise for, see, 12,270, 12,300 and 12,350, 12,400. Beyond 12,400, we may see it flying high. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can find out these two candles. This is the weekend candle and this is yesterday's candle. And yes, created the base out there. It is trying to trade with a rise, but at the same time, one must not forget that higher highs are done, which is giving it a stronger resistance. The support there at 12,050 is strong and it is trying to trade within this. So possibility of it to drop till towards 12,050 equally exists. At the same time, once it rises beyond 12,230, See the previous candle 12050 to 12150 170 and 120 points, and from here 170 to 120 points, so it's almost 12300. So possibility of it to rise till towards 12300 is still there. Directional movement is bearish, it is trying to converge. Stochastic is at bottom, may try to rise. The MACD is bearish, it must start to converge from here. And if you look at the RSI, this is at bottom. Considering this, till the time it trades about 12130 today, possibly we can stay long. But in fact, even if you see it dropping for 12050, so yes, below 12130 you can go short, but then please trade with a strict stop loss test cost such that you can preserve your capital till 12050, in fact till 12,000 levels. The possibility of it to rise and bounce back till the time it trades about 12050 and 12,000 level is very high, and hence it can reverse from there. And on the upside, about 12230 you can go long, but then remember 12300 and 12350, these two levels, and 12400 rather, till 12400 you have to be very alert, very cautious. It will eat your capital with a stronger reversal. So you, in between 12,000 to 12,400, be cautious and do not trade between 12130 to 12230 levels. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn the art of reading the charts, taking profitably, trading profitably with a strong methodology and strategy, and taking right entries and right exits, you can join my mentorship, as it is a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily live sessions, and a lifetime technical support is what you get. So join these sessions, definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. My next batch is starting soon, it is on 12th of September. Be a part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs and Telegram channel IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, you can be a patron. The patron link is also mentioned in the channel and video description, where you will get all the discussions. Look at Dow Jones. This is Dow Jones on the hourly charts, and see, it was trading with this consolidation. It has given a breakout very clearly. Only bearishness if it drops below 31400. If you see it trading below 31400, then only I will recommend you to go short today. At the same time, 31550 definitely has provided it a stronger resistance, and it is trying to drop from there. Now see, after trading for hours in this consolidation zone, it has seen a good rise. Now it is trying to reverse the gains. Only if it breaks below 31400 you can go short, then 31350, and below that you may see again a good crash. Be watchful of these levels. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is seen high, trying to trade with a drop. The MACD is green, it is trying to converge from here. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, see, it has seen a good rise and it is reversed or erased the gains out there. However, on the downside, just be watchful of 31450 and 31400 levels. Till the time it trades above 31400, I will strictly advise you not to take a position there, specifically short positions. At the same time, yes, you can go long above 31550, but then 31600 is a very strong resistance. Beyond that, it will fly for 31700. Those who follow me regularly, I have told you last week also, I am telling you this week again, 31700, if it trades above, then 32,000 is the target. I have told you on Friday, and it has achieved 32,000 on Friday, dropped since then. Now again, if it trades above 31700, it will hit 32,000 levels. Now, so that makes 31700 a very strong resistance zone. The directional movement is bullish, it is just crossed over. Stochastic trading flat near to top, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking downwards, indicating little bearishness there. On the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour chart. Previous candle ended in a doji. It's seen a good rise there, and see, every candle has a meaning out there. So what it is trying to do, higher highs, higher lows. So till 31400, I will expect that we may see a bounce back from there. So 31400, the level is what you should watch out for. Even in fact, if it drops below 31400, 31350 is the ultimate support. Below 31350 only, you can expect that we may see bears out there, and we can see a drop for 31300, 31200 and 31000 levels. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking upwards, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts you will find that likewise what we can see, higher highs, higher lows. indicates that 31,400 is going to be a very good support. Only and only if it sustains below 31,400, it will call for a good drop today. Then also till 31,300 you have to stay alert, and then below that we may see 31,200 and 31,000 levels. Directional movement is bearish, it is trying to converge. Stochastic is at top, it is trying to converge. MACD is divergent and bullish, it can start to converge. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart, see the highs done there, very well connected, all the three highs. And fun thing is, if you try to draw a parallel till towards 31,350, possibility of it to get a support, 31,300, possibility for it to get a support. Only and only if it trades below 31,300, it will call for more bearishness. Be very cautious, be very alert till towards 31,300 levels. So yes, you can go short at 31,400, expect it to draw for 31,350, 31,300 levels. And yes, only and only if it sustains below 31,300, it will call for a good drop. Also on the upside, be watchful of 31,550. Yes, you can go long at 31,500, expect it to get the resistance at 31,550, 600, and then the ultimate resistance at 31,700. See, the directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish, it is trying to converge here. The RSI is at bottom. Considering this, do not trade between 31,400 and 500. In fact, if you are taking a short entry at 31,400 also, please trade with the strict stop loss at cost. In just 20 points, shift your stop loss to cost such that you can preserve your capital till towards 31,300. We can expect that it can reverse any point of time. Below 31,300, it will call for the more bears. Then below 31,300, you can expect 31,200. First target 31,100, and then in fact we can expect it to break below 31,000 levels also. On the upside, about 31,500, be very alert till towards 31,550, 600 and 700. Only beyond 31,700 you can expect that we may see 32,000 levels today itself. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you very much.